Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. I want to see if we can get a live trade here. A failed second entry long, looking for a bigger pattern in this, but it looks to be a move down and then this little break of that downtrend with a spiking channel, and now that spiking channel has a break. So we're expecting a retest. And the main thing here is that this is the first time we've got below the EMA since the beginning of the overnight. You can see we've stayed consistently below it all night. And this little micro move up we just had is the first gap above. So color this so you can see what I'm talking about. And being that this is the first significant gap above the EMA, I think we'll retest the lows. And it looks like we could get that failed second entry long right now. It broke above now. And this kind of formed on top of the EMA instead of under it, but given the overall bias, I'm still okay with taking a chance on this. And in fact, we've broken a below now, so I'm actually going to take this on limit since it's a trap with a obvious bias in my opinion. So let's see if we can get in, hopefully. There we go. We do get in on the limit. Ooh, and it closes really bearish. So we're going to go for 8 since we got in on engulfing limit. A couple ticks better than waiting on the close there. And that big bearish bar looks really nice now. I'd be really surprised if we couldn't get this. There we go. We did get the scalp. Runner stop loss has moved to break even, and we'll see if we can get a good runner. Suspect it'll at least retest these lows, but I mean, this day looks very bearish to me, just with how consistent we're staying below the EMA and how strong the pushes are once it gets below the EMA. Hard to find a bigger pattern in this, but you can just tell where we're likely headed today based on that EMA. And if you just count the quantity of bearish bars compared to bull bars, you can see that obviously it's a bearish day. So yeah, a bigger pattern may develop, but right now it's not obvious. But even playing the more local stuff, this still made sense because we're expecting a retest after the break of the little spiking channel down. And also we expect a retest of the lows after a first significant gap above the EMA. And I'll probably trail this bar here since we are coming right up on those lows. There we go. Go ahead and lock that in. Pretty much get the full scalp out of it if it does come back and get us. But I'll probably keep trailing this. But this is really pushing pretty strongly now. And we're really long overdue for a correction if you look over at the overall daily chart. Watch Mack's videos to get some more information on that. Wow. I'm gonna try to trail this too. Getting really far from the EMA. Even on a strong bearish day, it doesn't like to get extremely far away. I tried to lock it in and it was at the high of the bar already, so it ticked up and got me there. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Fell second entry long with a retest of the lows expected. Decent runner. Y'all have a good